removing an M.2 drive and M.2 boot adapter. Remove the front top cover. Remove the rear top cover. To remove the M.2 drive, squeeze the retainer clip. Remove the retainer clip. Lift the rear side of the M.2 drive away from the M.2 boot adapter. Remove the M.2 drive. To remove the M.2 boot adapter, unfasten the screw that secures the middle of the M.2 backplane to the front air baffle. Unfasten the screw that secures the end of the M.2 backplane to the front air baffle. To disconnect the cables from the M.2 boot adapter, first loosen the captive screw that secures the cable, and then disconnect the cables. Slide the M.2 backplane backward and lift it out of the front air baffle.